Good afternoon, sir. My name is Aarti Ahire and my topic name is the whole body sanitizing machine under guidance of Professor Umakant Ghotre. Group number 2. My group members are Nida Khan, roll number 106, Fiza Pengunda, roll number 113, and myself Aarti Ahire, roll number 117. Whole body sanitizing machine. So, introduction of the project. The COVID-19 is a serious pandemic which the entire world is facing at present. As the measure of prevention from the deadly virus whose vaccine is not yet available, WHO recommended application of alcohol-based sanitizing, the 60% of alcohol content to part which are exposed to the virus. The people are using hand sanitizer to wash hand frequently, which have been effective till date. Since sanitizer are effective in preventing COVID-19, it would be a good idea to sanitize the whole body. In this research, the development of short tunnel which spray the sanitizer when people pass through it. It is designed, and the detail of the component and raw material required for the development is discussed in the following section. So material required for the project: the blue shell water booster, the purify motor, 180-degree motion sensor, body sanitizer, cabin tie, fog nozzle, a thin water pipe maximum of 5.5 mm, the 12-watt adapter. So construction of whole body sanitizing machine. The motion sensor should be attached to the wall in front of the door, so it may scan the motion of the people entering the house. Set the timing on the sensor so it can spray the sanitizer to the constant period of time. Fix the blue shell motor both to the motion sensor and thin water pipes. Insert the low pressure nozzle according to the position the sanitizer should be spray, and fix it pipes to the motor. So insert the motor into the sanitizer can and connect it to the switch. Put on the switch and get the whole body sanitizing machine started even at your home. So motion sensor circuit connection with the diagram. So motion sensor circuit is used to detect whether or not the human is present inside the tunnel. If human is present, it must spray sanitizer from various nozzle connected to the liquid sprayer pump. It stops spraying as soon as the tunnel is empty. The block diagram of system shown in figure. So working system of the whole body sanitizing machine. The motion sensor can be released by using 180-degree range sensor. The module is compatible with the ordinary Uno board, and this sensor will install at the entrance of the desiccation chamber. A relay is connected to the pump, and electronic circuit is going to control automatically the liquid sprayer pump through the relay. The spray sanitizer automatically to person inside the tunnel structure. In addition to this, the mechanical structure of tunnel is required. A suitable tank is also required for the storage of a sanitizer. So conclusion: it is our pleasure that we contribute the country by working on this project, so which will be significantly help in preventing the further spread of dangerous COVID-19 in the country. The overall 1 unit of full body sanitizer tunnel will effectively kill the harmful and deadly virus. The future scope: this is a very useful machine we can use as a future sanitizing and disinfecting machine, and keep ourselves safe from harmful viral diseases. Thank you, sir.